Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix that your phone is hitting while charging in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So actually it's normal if you're charging your device when using the fast charging, but here I have plenty of tips for you. At first, unlock your phone and follow my steps. Go to Settings. Here, scroll down to the Battery and Device Care over here, and now tap Battery. Scroll down to the battery usage, tap View Details, and check for the background applications causing heat and high power consumptions. Here, check for applications you do have. If you have some strange application like phone battery booster, phone battery aging limiter, something like that, uninstall these applications quickly as soon as possible, or limit using TikTok, you limit using some applications that you use a lot. Just try to use them less and it should help you. Apart from that, we can go into the apps, tap on the application, for example Chrome, scroll down to the battery and tap restricted battery. Restrict battery usage while using the app is running in the background. The application may not work as expected and notifications may be delayed. Enable these options for all the applications that are in the top of the battery usage. Of course, make sure that you don't get notifications from this application. Now go back to the main menu of the settings here, and now actually we don't really need settings. Apart from that, I do recommend to use the original charger and cable. So if you bought any charger, 100 watts charger from Temu, from AliExpress, from Action, don't use them. It's dangerous, it's not safe, and your phone may be damaged. Apart from that, use the original charger and cable bought from the Samsung or Base Us or something like that. I know that it's costful, but it's always better to protect your phone and pay more than damage your phone and have to pay for another product. Apart from that, I do recommend to avoid using your phone while charging, for example gaming, making phone calls, etc. I know that sometimes you need to use your phone while making phone calls, but if you are gaming, if you are watching TikTok, don't do it. Your phone won't hit then. Apart from that, here as you can see on my phone, I do have case, the phone case. Take off your case and try to charge your phone without the case. Just plug in your phone right now to the charger without case. And apart from that, I do recommend to charge in a cool ventilated area. So if you're charging your phone in a car and have these problems with heating, don't worry, it's completely normal then. But try to charge your phone in a cool ventilated area, for example in your room where you have a lot of place and there you have no 30 Celsius inside of it. And actually that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. It's very important to us. If you have some drawbacks, please tell me in the comments below. If you have some questions, ask me in the comments below too. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!